What's up, online shoppers? If you are anything like me, your espresso machine is your morning lifeline, but maybe even your afternoon pickup as well. Now, I've been using espresso machines for years. Case in point. And one thing I've learned the hard way is that regular cleaning really matters. It's not just about keeping things looking nice. It's something that directly impacts the taste of your espresso, the temperature stability of your machine, and how well your machine works on a day-to-day basis. That is why I am so genuinely glad that I have found these active espresso machine cleaning tablets. You get 120 in one of these containers, which is one of the best values that I found as well for cleaning purposes. Now, compared with the little sachets or liquid solutions, I love that this is shelf stable for longer. If you've ever had to order those pricey single-use packs, you know that it hurts every time you clean your espresso machine, and this is a great way around it. Now, I also love that these tablets are super compatible, but I want to show you how well they're packaged too. So 120 tabs in this little container here, screw lid, but they package it so well. They have one of these little foam stoppers so that things don't clank around and break down. They throw in a desiccant package, and then look at this. These little tabs are all you need to keep your espresso machine functioning fine and your coffee fantastic. Now, I personally have used these with my Breville right here, my Baristas, but the Jura, the DeLonghi, and any of the E61 groups like the Rocket or the Profitec, those all benefit from cleaning with this fantastic little espresso cleaning tab. It's a bit of a one-size-fits-all solution, but it actually really just works, and it's so convenient and small. It doesn't even take up a lot of space on your shelf. I have recommended this to a few of my friends with different espresso machines from me, and all of them have had fantastic results. Now, the cleaning power is also pretty impressive. These tablets are small but mighty, but they really cut through the buildup of the oils and the limescale and all the things that get in the way of your coffee tasting good and your machine working at its best. The flavor is cleaner and brighter when you use these, and the machine is operating back like when I first took it home. If you're someone who's been battling inconsistent flow rate or struggling with temperature swings in your machine, regular use of cleaning tablets can help with that, and I personally love these ones from Active. These are actually super easy to use as well. All I do is take one out of the container, pop it in, and run the usual back flush routine. It doesn't feel like a chore at all, and honestly, for a weekly cleaning, it's no fuss, no muss, and a no-brainer. I love the peace of mind that comes from knowing that this espresso machine here is going to keep pumping out excellent espresso for years to come. The bottom line is this is an essential for anyone who owns an espresso machine. They are an investment, and why wouldn't you take care of your investment? Whether you're pulling shots every single morning like I do, or you're using it occasionally, you definitely want these tablets to help keep your machine operating at its optimum. They're affordable, they're reliable, and they do exactly what they promise, and they're super versatile, work for so many different machines. These active espresso machine cleaner tablets are fantastic. Your espresso and your machine are going to thank you, and that's why these are family favorites at my house.